Hello, everybody. And I would say good morning. I gotta go to work. There's some days I wish I lived down south. It's like horrible. I'm hoping to get out on my drive. It'll take me a little bit, as you can see. There's my car, and there's the snow. And there's what should have been the driveway. It's been plowed. It's been snow blowed. It's everywhere. So, well, as you can see, this is 2019 Blizzard. Yeah, I really don't want to drive, but I said I'd come to work, so I'm going. So look at this mess. Just pray for me that I get there and back. Well, thank you, everybody. Thank you for watching.